How to change your name on Wix.com. Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to change your username or name on Wix.com. For me it's Madaragod. I don't remember why I used Madaragod, but anyway, we head to the account settings. We'll wait for the page to load. Here, the first name, the last name, and the account name. You can edit the account name by clicking on this pencil down here, and you can edit your first name anytime. Limitless, not like Snapchat or Facebook. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.